Good morning, students. We are going to start with a new chapter, that is Dignity of Labor. I hope you are staying at home and utilizing your time as well. Now come to the chapter explanation. First of all, I'll tell you this video is the gist of the chapter, and after I finish the chapter explanation, you will go through the chapter very nicely. Any doubts you will underline and we will discuss in the next class. What is dignity of labor? Respect for all types of work and the people who do it is called dignity of labor. Now when you come out of the house, you find many kind of helpers or laborers or people going to their work according to their skills. So life is difficult without the assistance of sweepers, house cleaners, garbage collectors and other helpers. So here dignity of labor means we should always respect every kind of work. Whoever do it is called dignity of labor. Now life without the assistance of sweepers, house cleaners, garbage collectors is very difficult. Why is it very difficult? Because the life is not possible. Our surroundings become very dirty and unhygienic without the support of these people. Okay, so why do we find it very dirty? When for example, when the helpers or the substaffs are in leave or they are in strike, what happens? They don't come to their job, and one day if they don't come, you find very dirty around yourselves. The surroundings is very dirty, and due to this dirtiness, unhygienic environment is created. Sweepers, helpers, house cleaners, rag pickers, garbage collectors provide services that make our life easy and comfortable. They make our life easy and comfortable, and they provide us services. We must treat them with dignity and honor with the skill and experience of everyone. So we must respect their work and them also. Then Mahatma Gandhi contribution to dignity of manual labor. Mahatma Gandhi believed in dignity of labor and respect of all human beings. Mahatma Gandhi, I hope you know who is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the national leader of Indian freedom movement. So Mahatma Gandhi believed in dignity of labor and respect of all kind of human beings. He trusted that no work is small. He always used to say and trusted that no work is small, whether a helper is there, whether a sweeper is working, or whether a manager is working in the office. So no work is small. He cared the people who were considered untouchables in the society. Who were untouchables now? Earlier there used to be a society wherein only the untouchables were used to live. They cannot enter the rich community or rich society. They were kept aside. He always called them Harijans, which means people of God. Now there is a quote of Mahatma Gandhi: a plea for the spinning wheel is a plea for recognizing the dignity of labor. Labor Day. I think you must know what is Labor Day. And when is Labor Day? Labor Day is on May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day in India and in many countries around the world. Labor Day emphasis on 8 hours of work, 8 hours for recreation and 8 hours for rest. So it is a distribution of 24 hours. It is 8 hours of work, 8 hours of recreation and 8 hours for rest. Labor Day in India is known as Kamgar Din or Kamgar Divas. Why do we celebrate Labor Day? Now May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day. Earlier, when there were no labor laws, workers were forced to work 16 to 18 hours a day. Just imagine, out of 24 hours, they were forced to work 16 to 18 hours. But nowadays, maximum of 12 hours a worker can work. Maximum of 12 hours. So labor unions protested on May 1, 1886. While they were in the procession, in the rally they were outside, what happened? Someone threw a bomb at the rally. So in memories of the workers who lost their lives, this day is celebrated in all parts of the world. Workers are given a day off on this day. Now, is Labor Day celebrated the same way in all the countries? This day is celebrated across the world differently, but the reason is same: awareness of Labor Days. Now, students, you will go through the chapter. Any doubts, we will clear it on the next. Till then, thank you. Stay home. Stay